డైలీ మార్నింగ్ ఈవినింగ్ జింజర్ టీ తాగుతాను. చాలా బాగుంది. మీరు కూడా రండి, మీరు కూడా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తారు. ఇట్స్ వెరీ గుడ్.
I am a regular customer here and I like the tea very much.
టీ అంటే చాలా బాగుంది సార్. మసాలా టీ ప్లస్ కాఫీ ఆల్ ఐటమ్స్ ఆర్ వెరీ వెరీ గుడ్. ఐ విల్ కమ్ రెగ్యులర్, కంపల్సరీ డైలీ నేను ప్రతిరోజు ఒక్కసారి వచ్చి తాగుతాను ఇక్కడ.
Hi guys, welcome to our channel Hyderabad Foodbox. So today we are at Domalguda Chai Lijiye Maze Se Pijiye. They have very unique taste. So what is so much unique about this place that they have 10 branches across like Hyderabad and Telangana. So we are going to taste the chai. We are going to see what is so much unique about this, what are their specialities. Other than chai, what all things they serve. So we are going to go in there, taste and give you the honest review how this is going to taste like. So let's go inside guys.
Don't let me sleep. Never say sorry. Oh, maybe I'll leave. Maybe, but
मेरा अदरक का चाय आ गया गाइस. So this अदरक or this ginger tea became quite famous during this COVID times and many people started adding this tea to their regular beverage guys. So apart from this ginger tea they also have the other teas also, which is like kadak chai, masala chai and black tea, lemon tea, and they also have their own unique taste teas as well. Iced tea also, lemon mint tea, and one is a traditional khadda green tea as well. So these people are have huge amount of varieties of teas as well. And we are at Domalguda branch, which is newly operated, newly opened. They have 5 branches. First is the Uppal, Kukatpalli and Madhapur and Domalguda, the one which we are, and the other one is Alwal, which is quite gets crowded in the evening.
talk back to you. Say it like that.
Apart from this tea, they have their unique biscuits called as this is called as the garlic sticks, and these are the methi Thai biscuits, and this is Osmania biscuits, and this is coconut biscuits. And the very good product, very good part about this are they are for 10 rupees you'll have 3 garlic sticks, and for 10 rupees you have 3 methi Thai biscuits, and they are very affordable. And I've tasted them already guys, to be very honest. They are very worth of having it. And now the best way to eat this garlic stick is to have tea of your ginger tea, garlic sticks. The unique part about this biscuits and all this Thai biscuits and this garlic sticks are they have their own central kitchen, which is located at Karkhana. They have their own products manufactured there guys. The more I'm eating this product, it seems to be these are made by the natural products. You cannot find these products outside generally guys. So you have to, if you want to taste this, you need to come to a place like this, which is Chai Lijiye, to have the awesome taste of this cookies and the tea. And one more unique thing about this place, this gets so many unique because this place is unique. So this is the thing I want to talk about. Many people come and they give polythenes, which is very hazardous to your health. So but they have the different concept. You can take the tea in such boxes and which makes the tea hot for the next 2 hours. So you can easily carryable. This is easily mobile, portable. You can take it home and it makes the tea hot for the next 2 hours. So good concept, unique concepts. And you can order all the things that I've shown you earlier in this video. You can order them online through Zomato and Swiggy guys. So it's a good way of having all these products at the comfort of your house. So guys, we are very happy to introduce you the co-founder of the Chai Lijiye. So hi Raj Sekhar sir, how are you?
Hi Bala, thank you. I'm doing good.
Very good, good to hear. So we'll ask some few questions to him. So what is the when did you started this Chai Lijiye?
We started a journey in 2015. We are a team of bankers. We started a journey with corporate high tea, and we felt we have really good products that we have developed over a period of last 6 years, which are unique in the sense that we don't use any preservatives, no artificial flavors, and no artificial colors in any of our products. So they are as natural as they can get. So this is how we started our journey.
Okay. So when he said the uniqueness, I have really tasted that uniqueness in all the products, sir. So how did you able to find this uniqueness in your products?
See, we did a lot of R&D ourselves.
Right.
Then we felt that to stand out in the market, we need to offer something really very healthy and very unique, quality-wise, taste-wise, and hygiene-wise. So we developed our own processes, our own recipes, and then we standardized all the products.
So what are your big plans for the Chai Lijay? What are your goals?
So while we have good products, we felt that we will build a business around it, and that's how Chai Lijay as a franchise opportunity came into being. We started franchising, and we have reached out to quite a good number of places in Telangana and Andhra, and now we are in the process of increasing our footprint across whole of India. So our plan is to go pan-India in the next 2 years to come. So we should be there, available in each and every state of the country.
All the very best to you, sir.
Thank you very much.
That's all, guys. That's all for today's videos. Like, if you are looking for some franchisee opportunities with high returns, with low investment, this is a place to be watched out. We'll share more information in the description, and we'll also share the link of this place in the description below. And that's all for today's videos, guys. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, please give a big thumbs up and share with your friends. And not to forget, please do visit a Chai Lijay outlet for having the unique taste of the chais and the other bakery products. And that's all. I'll see you in the next vlog. Until then, peace out.